Dear students, welcome to this class, and today I will start the exercise 5.2 of your chapter 5, and the name of this chapter is division. Open your books and see the questions here. First I will explain you some, that is the division by 10, 100 and 1000 etc. Okay, the division by 10, like there is an example here. Division by 10. Division by 10. Then you have the division by 100 also. 100. So here there is a table like 90 divided by 10 equal to 9. Okay. So here the quotient and the remainder. Okay. Is given here. So what is the quotient here? The quotient is here 9 and the remainder is here. In this case remainder will be how much? 0. Okay. And the next is here 75 divided by 10 equal to, here it is 7. And here the quotient is here 7 and remainder is here 5. Okay. It is, yes, it is 5. Okay, but in the book it is not correct. So 569 divided by 10 equal to 56. So here 56 is the quotient and the remainder is here 9. Okay. So this, and now here another example. You have the number 600 divided by 100 equal to 6. So here the quotient and remainder are there. So what is the quotient here? 6 and remainder is here 0. Then next is here 3412 divided by 100 equal to 34. So quotient is 34 and remainder is here 12. The third number is here 14,569 divided by 100 equal to, so it will be here 145 and here 145 and here 69. Okay, C. So here now observe this here, that is first take this here, the division by 10. Okay, the division by 10, that is if you divide any number by 10, like here 90 divided by 10. So here in 10 there is 1 0 here only. Okay, 1 0. So and here also you have 1 0. So this 0, that is when you divide by 10, then here the rule is that when you divide by 10, okay, and in the number 10 you have only 1 0. So the, and here this is the divisor. Okay, this is the divisor and this is the dividend and this is the divisor. Okay, this is the dividend and this is the divisor. So and here in this 10 you have only 1 0. So here in this dividend, this 0 at the ones place will be the remainder and the remaining will be the quotient here. See that here this 0 is the remainder and this 9 is the quotient. Now observe this number here 75. So in this 75 you have this is the dividend, this is the divisor here. So again this is the divisor and in this divisor 10 we have only 1 0 here. So in this when you divide this number by 10, then this will be the remainder and the remaining numbers will be the quotient here. And here see that again this is the number 569. So when you divide this number by 10, then this 9 will be the remainder and the number formed by the remaining digits will be the quotient here. So 56 is the quotient here. So here observe this. Similarly here, if you divide any number by 100, then the number formed by the digit at the tens place and ones place will be the remainder and the number formed by the remaining digits will be the quotient here. So here these two zeros, that is 0 0 is there, so we will write only 0. Okay, for two zeros or 1 0, the meaning is same, that is the remainder is 0. and 6 is the quotient here. Now you see here this number. So in this number, when you divide this by 100, then here see that is the digit at the 10 space is 1 and the digit at the 1 space is 2. So the number formed by the digits 1 and 2 is 12 here. So this 12 will be the remainder, and the number formed by the remaining digits, that is 3, 4. So when you have the number 3, digits 3 and 4, then this will make the number 34. So 34 will be the quotient. Similarly here also, this 69 will be the remainder, and this 145 will be the quotient, and this will be the remainder. And here 34 is the quotient and 12 is the remainder, and here 6 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. So this is the root here when you divide by 10 and then by 100. Okay, so now division by 1000 also, like if you divide any number by 1000, okay, here the numbers are like this, 9000 and divided by 1000. So here the quotient will be in this case here 9, okay, and the remainder will be here 9 and this will be 0, and next number is 6547 divided by 1000, and then 47,896 divided by 1000, and 93,016 divided by 1000. Okay, so in this now see that when you divide this number by 1000, so these 3 digits that is the number formed by these 3 digits will be the remainder, that is 547 is the remainder in this, and 6 will be the quotient here. And when you divide this number by 1000 again, here 896 will be the remainder, and 47 will be the quotient. And here also 16 will be the 16 means that is 016, that is these 3 will form the number, that is 16. So remainder is 16 here, and quotient is here 93. Okay, so remember this, and then you can now the questions are based on this. Okay, so now the question number. So the question number 1, question number 1A here, it is 10 divided by 10. So find the quotients and remainders in this. Okay, we have to find the quotients and remainder. So when you divide 10 by 10, here the quotient will be equal to 1 and the remainder equal to here 0. Okay, that is we have to write the answer without doing anything, just use the rules and then write the answer. Okay, so the next one is here B. So in the question number B, you have 45 divided by 10. So here the quotient and remainder. Okay, here you will write the full name here, don't write Q. Quotient. Okay, quotient. So what is quotient here? Here it will be 4 and the remainder will be here 5. Okay, because you are dividing by 10, so there is only 1 0, so the ones place digit will be the remainder and the other will be the quotient. And then similarly you can solve other questions also, like question number C. You have 450 divided by 10, so here again quotient equal to 45 and remainder equal to 0. And then I will solve F here. So in this you have the number 23,698 divided by 10. So in this the quotient equal to in this quotient will be this number. Okay, that is 2369 equal to 8. So this is the way, and in this way you can solve the questions. And in the next question also we have to do the same thing, and in the third question also we have to do the same thing here. So here in the question number 2, here the number A, okay, so here it is 800 divided by 100, first question, and next question is 3200 divided by 100, C 75,000 divided by 100, and D 96,321 divided by 100 here. So we have to find the quotient and remainder for this. So here write quotient and then remainder, okay. So here when you divide 800 by 100, then 0 will be the remainder here, okay, according to the rule here, and quotient will be 8, and in this again the remainder is 0 and the quotient will be here 32, and in this number again the remainder is here 0 here, because these two 0 will go here, and the quotient will be here 750, and here again this 221 will be the remainder, and the quotient is 963, okay. So the rules is very simple here. Rule is very simple. Like when you divide by 100, then here there are two zeros here, so these two will be the remainder. Here two zeros are there, these two will be the remainder. These two zeros are there, so these two will be the remainder, and these two zeros are there, and so these two digits will be the remainder, okay. And the remaining will be the quotient here. See that this is the quotient, this is the quotient, this is the quotient, and this is the quotient here 8. So that's simple, okay. So I did all the questions, so you will also solve all the questions, okay. So the question number 3 again is the similar question here. So again here you have the questions, so I will write the question here, number A and B, C and D, okay. So in this the first question is 5,000 divided by 1,000, okay. The next one is 1,475 divided by 1,000. The next one is here, the comma is given, then put it comma, then 8,456 divided by 1,000. This, okay. And again here we have to write the quotient and remainder. So here I have written that in this column quotient and remainder, and if you have only one question, then you will write quotient and then remainder, okay. Here I have written quotient remainder there just for the simplicity, okay, because I am explaining you here. So here because there are 3 zeros, okay, 3 zeros, then this will be the remainder, okay. Here also you have 3 zeros, then this will be the remainder, and here there are 3 zeros, so this will be the remainder, and here these are the 3 zeros here, so this is the remainder. So the remainder will be here in this case 0, and here it is 475, and here it is 456, and here it is 634. And what is the quotient now? The quotient is here 5, and here it is 1, and here it is 8, and here it is 25, okay. So 25, okay. So now remember this, that is, this is the answer for this question, and this is for this question, right? So here in this way you can find the quotient and remainder for these type of questions. Now you have the fill in the blanks, okay. Fill in the blanks. Question number 4. You have 685 divided by 10. So here you have to write what is the quotient and what is the remainder here. So what is the quotient here? 10, then this will be the remainder. So here the remainder is 0 and quotient will be here 68, okay. Quotient line and remainder line here. So similarly question number B, this is A here,
Then B and C you can solve. Okay, all are similar here. So I will not solve that because I have solved almost all the questions. Now question number 5. Question number 5A. A national library has 15,852 reference books arranged in 6 racks. Equally, how many books does each rack hold here? So here we have to divide by 6. Question number 5. National library has here. So write here the number of books. Books equal to 15,852. 15,852 books are there. Okay, and these books are arranged in the 6 racks. So number of racks equal to 6. Okay, so you would have seen racks hota hai, books almari, like this rack is there also. You cannot see in the camera here. So there is a rack here side. So in that rack the books are kept, and the books are that is in each rack the book number of books are equal. मतलब जितना भी रैक है उसमें जो नंबर ऑफ बुक्स है वो इक्वल है. तो फिर हमको यहाँ पर निकालना है कि एक रैक में कितना बुक होगा. ओके, सो हियर वी हैव टू डिवाइड. So you will divide this number 15,852 by 6. So divide this number by 6. When you divide this number by 6, then 6 2 are here 12. So it is 3. Then 8 will come here. Then 6 6 are 36. So it is 2. Then 5 will come here. 6 4 ja 24. Then 1 will come here. Then 2 will come here also. So 6 2 ja 12. So here the remainder is 0. So here you will write in the answer number of books in each rack. Okay, so each rack equal to 2,642. Okay, this is the number of books. These are the number of books in one rack, 2,642. Okay, so now this is the end of this exercise. Now I will start this next exercise here. So in this you have to learn how to divide. Okay, so also so here this is the process of division. Okay, in this way you will divide. Then here also you have to divide the number. So let us start. Here the question number 1. Okay, you have the exercise 5.3 now. So 5.3, question number 1. Here question number A. So divide 653 divided by 9. Okay, you have to divide this by 9. So start with this 653 divided by 9. So first you should remember the table of 9. Okay, so you can use the numbers like this. Okay, side like 9 zeros are 0. Like this. So here you have this 18, 27, 30, 45 and 54. like this. Okay, so here now we will see here that it is 9 here. Okay, so now in this table 9, it is 65 here. Okay, this is 65 here, so we can divide first this 65. That is, now in this table you will see that now here it is 9 7 is 63 here, and then 9 8 is 72 here. So therefore this 63 is less than 65, and this 72 is more than 65. So we have to use this number 63 here. 9 7 is 63. So here write 63. Then subtract 5 minus 3 will be 2 here, and then this 3 will come, and write because 9 7 is 63, so write 7 here. Then 23 comes here. Now in the table of 9, okay, 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18 here, and 9 3 is 27, but 27 is larger than this, then we will write this number 18. So 9 2 is 18, so subtract here, it will be 5. So here quotient equal to 72 and remainder equal to 5. Okay, in this way you will divide and then you will get the answer. Now the next number, question number B, or let us solve C question number. Okay, question number C again, 776 divided by 8. So here divide this 776 and divided by 8 here. So here again if you read the table of 8, then 8 9 is 72, okay, and 8 8 is 64. So here you will write 8 9 is 72. Okay, 8 9 is 72, and then subtract here. 7 minus 2 will be here 5, and this 6 will come, and then 8 7 is 56. So write here 7 and then 56 here. So the remainder is 0. Quotient equal to 97. Zero. So these are the two questions here. Then question number 2, find the quotient and verify your answer. Okay, in this you have to find the answer and also verify the answer. Question number 2. Okay, so this is the question here, and divided by 6. So divide this and then verify. 9604 divided by 6. So now because you know that in the table of 6 we don't have the number 96. Okay, that is in the table of 6 the largest number is 6 9 is 54 only. Okay, so we will not use that number here 54, but here see that 9 will also go. Okay, 9 can be divided by 6. Okay, 9 can be divided by 6. So here 6 1 is 6 we will write. So it will be 3, then 6 will come, then 6 6 is 36 here. So it is 0, then this 0 will come here. Okay, now you see that now this 0 will go by 0. Okay, 6 0 is 0 here. So it is 0, then this 4 will come, then again this 4 is smaller than this, then it will go by 0. So write here 0 and then here 0. So you have the remainder 4 in this case. So in this case the quotient is what? Quotient equal to this and remainder equal to 4. Okay, now we have to verify. Okay, verification. So here verification you will write verification is there is a formula here, divisor into quotient, okay, plus remainder equal to dividend. This is the formula and this is the division algorithm. So divisor into quotient plus remainder equal to dividend. So then put the values here. So here see this divisor. What is divisor here? 6. And what is quotient here? This number. And what is remainder? 4. Okay. Now if you solve this, this into this will be 96, 100 plus 4 equal to 9604, and which is equal to the dividend. Okay. So here this is verified. So our answer is correct. Correct. Okay, so this is the method of checking your division. Okay, actually this is the formula here. So here it is written division. So you will put divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here the divisor is 6 and quotient is this and remainder is this. Then write all the values and then solve. And then if the answer which you get is equal to this dividend, then it means that this division is correct, and here it is equal. So this is correct. Question number B. Here the number is 1204 divided by 8. Okay, this is the question. Then divide this number. Now 8 1 ja 8. So it will be this. 8 5 ja 40. So 0 here, then 4 will come, then 8 0 ja 0, so 4. So therefore here the quotient is here 150 and remainder is here 4. Now here verification. So just erase this number and write the new number here. In the place of divisor you have 8 into quotient is 150 plus remainder is 4. So it will be now see that this number 1204 is equal to this dividend, and therefore our division is correct. So this is the method of doing this. So now this is the end of this exercise. You will do the remaining questions yourself. Now the exercise 5.4, and here also we have to divide, but you have here the larger numbers and you have to remember the table. Okay, this is the exercise 5.4. So in this we have to divide. So let us divide here. Question number 1. A, you have the number 5632 divided by 14, and question number B is here 6325 divided by 15. Okay, so and in the question number 2 you have the questions here 5050 divided by 10, and in the B you have 2744 divided by 23. Okay, these are the 4 questions I have taken, and there 4 more questions are remaining here. So that is your homework. So first let us solve this. Now first take this question and find out the answer. So you will divide 5632 and divided by here 14. So remember the table of 14 here. So 14 4 ja 56. So right here 14 4 ja 56. Then it will be 0. Then here 3. Now 14 0 ja 0 here. So right here 3. Then 2 will come here. Then 14 1 ja 14. 14 2 ja 28. And 14 3 ja 42. So here 14 2 ja 28. So this here, and therefore here the quotient equal to 402 and remainder equal to 4 is the answer of this question. Then question number B. Okay, question number B, 6325 divided by 15. Then 15 4 ja 60, you know 15 4 ja 60. So write 60 here. Then it will be 3. Then 2 will come. 15 2 ja 30. Then 5 will come here. 15 1 ja 15 here. So here 1, that is this 10, and therefore here quotient equal to equal to 10. This is the answer of this question. Now in this question we have to find the quotient and remainder and also verify. Okay, so question number A again here, that is 550 and divided by 10. Okay, divide this number. Now I am doing this question number 2A, and after finding the answer we will have to check the answer. So 10 5 ja 50. Then 5 will come here. Then 5 10 0 ja 0. Then 5 then 0 10 5 ja here 50. So 0. So here quotient equal to 505 and remainder equal to 0. Now verification also. Okay, for this also we have to verify. So here you will write divisor quotient plus remainder. Now what is divisor here? 10 into quotient is 500. 5 plus remainder is 0. So this will be equal to 5050 plus 0 equal to 5050 equal to dividend. So the answer is correct. Okay, see here that here this is the dividend here, and here also we have got the dividend here. So our division is correct and answer is correct. And then the question number B of second question. So divide this again. So 23 1 ja 23. Then 4 will come here, and then 23 1 ja 23 and 23 2 ja 46. Okay, so 46 will be larger than this, so it will go by 1 only. So right here 23. Okay, so I was dividing this number. So this is the number here, 23 1 ja 23, and 27 minus 23 will be 4. Then this 4 will come here, and then 23 1 ja 23 and 23 2 ja 46. But 46 is greater than 44, so we will write 23 here. So 23 1 ja 23. Then subtract 23 from 44. So you will have this 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2 here, and this 4 will come down. Now 23, now this is here 4, so 8 3 are 24, so that will be larger number, it will not go by 8. Try 23 into 8. So it is when you multiply 23 by 8, then you will get 184. Then try with also larger number, 23 by into 9. 9 3 are 27. Then the 2. So it will go by 9. Okay, so right here 9, and then you have here 200 here 7. Okay. So here the remainder is 7. Okay, 7 here the remainder in this case, and we have to verify also. So here the quotient equal to 119 and remainder equal to 7, and then here we have to verify. So let us verify here. So verification, I will not write this again here, I just change the number here. So here the divisor is 23 and quotient is 119 and the remainder is here 7. So multiply these two numbers. So how much you will get? 23 so 2737. Okay, 2737 and then plus 7. Now you will add. So now you can see here that this number, that is the dividend here, and this number both are equal. So it means that this answer is correct and this is also correct, that is the quotient and remainder are correct both. Okay, so in this way you can solve the remaining 4 questions in this exercise, question number 1 and 2. Okay, so I have done A, B of the first question and A, B of the second question. So you will do the C and D of the first question and C and D of the second question. Now the question number 3 here. So here find the quotient when dividend equal to this and divisor equal to this. So here again we have to divide question number 3. Question number 3, find the quotient when dividend equal to 7228 and divisor equal to 27. Then here divide by 27. So 27 3 ja 81. So 81 is larger than 71. So 27 2 ja 54. So here 27 2 ja 54. Then it will be 7 here and 1. Then 2 will come. Now how it will go by 8? No. 8 2 ja 7. 7. It will go by 7. Try by 7. No, it will not go by 7. Then it will go by 6, I think. Yes, it will go by 6. 7 6 are 42. Then yes. Okay, then write here 6. Then here it will be 162. And then here it is 0 and 1. So then 8 will come here. Then 27 3 are 108. Okay, see 27 3 ja 27 4 ja. Okay, 108 here. So it will go by 27 4 ja 108. So the remainder is here 0. So we have to find the quotient here. So quotient equal to 264 is the quotient of this question. And then you have the question number 4. Find the divisor when dividend, quotient and remainder is given here. So we have to find the divisor. Okay, divisor. So how will you find the divisor when dividend, quotient? So here we have to use the formula here, right? Dividend equal to dividend, then you have quotient and remainder. So remainder is equal to 5 and quotient equal to 94 and dividend equal to 3201. Okay, so here we are not given the divisor, so we have to find that divisor. So you know the formula, dividend equal to, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder here. So this is given here, so write 3201 equal to divisor, we don't know, into quotient is given here 94 and plus remainder is given 5. Now take 5 to this side, so it will be 3201 minus 5 equal to 94. Then subtract this number, this 196 equal to, now you will divide this number, therefore divisor equal to what? (94). Now divide this number, 3196 divided by 94. So 94 here, it will go by 3. Six. Now it will go by 4. See, so here the divisor equal to 34 is the answer of this question. Okay, you have to solve like this. Okay, this is the question, and the question number 5 is also find the dividend when quotient and this. So this is easier than this question. Question number 5. Find the dividend when quotient, divisor and remainder all are given here. Okay, quotient, then divisor and remainder. So what is the quotient here? It is 75. Divisor is 85 and the remainder is 2. Then again the formula, what is the dividend here? Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So use this formula and then put all the values and then solve. So 85 into 75 plus 2. Now multiply 85 and 75. So here 6375 plus 2, it will be equal to 6377 is the answer of this question. So this is the end of this exercise 5.4. Okay, so now in this chapter 5.5, 5.6, 5.7 and 5.8 exercise, that is there are 4 more exercises. Okay, so these exercises will be finished in the coming class. Okay, and I hope you have understood which I have taught today. Okay, and then you will do your homework, because in this I have done most of the questions. So still you will solve all those questions which are remaining, and the questions which I have also done. Okay, so remember this. Then so in the next class I will start that. Okay, then thank you for watching now.